Okay, hi sunsets. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a meal in Adopt Me right there. Like I'm showing this for now. So yeah. And yes, I'm playing on my laptop. I'm not using this part. I'm using my keyboard right here. Like you like it? And yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make meals for new beginners. And I don't care if there's any new beginners. So yeah, so let's play this as a top on as well. So yeah, since I'm making a neon, so yeah, I don't really like the panda. Let's just see who's trading for unicorn. But I'm gonna be getting a much better unicorn. So I don't have a mouse, a real mouse, so I'm gonna have to be using my laptop one. So yeah, we're gonna just check if my pet's nope. So basically you need 4 pets. So like let me show you. So you will need like 4 of these, like 4 of any pet. So I've got 4 mouse, and I've got 4 of these, but 3 because one of them are just grown out and they're all fully grown, these 3. But yeah, after this, I'm going to like upgrade. So yeah, so basically when these are like all fully grown, you need to fully grown them, and I'm gonna show you how to do it easier and quicker. And I hope you sunsets will know. And yeah, oh my god, why is everyone fighting me? I don't rarely go to parties no more, and I used to play this since I was a little kid. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna move this up here. Yeah, right there. So after, you should have one of these. Okay, I have traded nearly all my pets cause I thought you cannot make anything to make a neon. But yes, I do make a neon. So after, you wanna like you wanna like wait. I'm just gonna remove my panda real quick so I can probably show you guys. So after, on my laptop, but if you're on mobile you can just do the same thing, but you don't have the letter E. So basically, like, you can add like a pet. If you press it here, you can add like a pet. And when they're fully grown, let me just show you what it would look like. So it would look like this. Like, you can't add it if it's fully grown. Like, it has to be fully grown. Like, it should say that when you want to remove it. And then when you should put in all of the 4 pets in. And I'm slowly taking this slowly. If you new beginners of Adopt Me don't know how to make neon, so I would not trade your pets. If you have 4, you can make them into your first literal neon. But these are for new beginners, so yeah, if you have any siblings and they never picked Adopt Me, go show them this. And yeah, it's really fun actually. So yeah, I play the flowers. So basically when these are like, when this one's fully grown, so why are they all jumping over me? Yes, I know. Sorry. Hi guys. And after, what you wanna do? Wait. I'm just gonna press on backpack and just get a vehicle out real quick. I'm gonna have this bike. So, oh, wait. Oops, I'm a very bad driver. I never drive on laptop. So, yeah. And I'm very good at mobile. it's glitched. Yeah, it's happened a few times. So after, what you want to do is go over here, and you wanna swim. And I do really miss the event. The last event from Adopt Me is like so good, and they've got really good pets actually. So you wanna go over here. It's under the lake. So yeah, and sunsets, as you know, if you played Adopt Me before, and of course you guys did, you wanna go here, and this is what the neons look like. If you have mega neon, it will color change, like this one right here, like the donkey. That is a mega neon. So yeah, and this is just what a neon looks like. They're just showing what is a mega neon versus a neon. So yeah, I really wanted to make a mega, but yeah. So after, you want to go over here and put in your 4 growing pets. So you want to put 3 over here, and the middle, you want to put your 4th one in. And I will do a short of me making a neon one, or my 4 pets. Actually 8, because like the like mouse and that. So yeah, that's how you do it. Peace out, y'all.